What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. Now this isn't the video that I was supposed to make today, but because it kept raining and raining, so I decided to come with plan B. So in today's video we're going to talk about some features that you may or may not know about the Lexus IS350. Now last year I made a video like this, so this year I'm gonna make the part 2 of this video. All right guys, let's get into it. Now the first features that you may or may not know about this car, or maybe any car with push button to start, is that the problem is, let's see you go to a place, you just park your car but you want to turn it off, but you don't want to turn the radio on because you're listening to something. Well, when you have push button to start, as soon as you push that button, you turn the car off, everything automatically turn off. So I will show you a way that you can stop that. Like for example, I'm going to start the car. Let's say you park somewhere and you listening to music or a show, but you don't want to miss anything, but you want to turn off the car. There's a way to do it. So what you have to do is put your car on neutral. Now that your car is on neutral, you can just push this and the car will turn off, and as you can see here, your radio is still working. But make sure you put your foot on the brake before you turn the car off, and then push it back to park. All right guys, let's go to the next one. Now the next thing we're gonna go over with is these little things right here on your front bumper. Now I've seen a lot of people, even on the Facebook group, asking what these are for. Well, these are your headlight washer. This is how you give your headlight a bubble bath. Now the only way to use this, when you go inside, you sit on the driver's seat, there's a little button on your left side. That's for those, so you can wash your headlight just in case you feel like they're not bright enough. But and the only way to use them is when the headlights is on. If they're not on, you can push that button all day long, nothing will happen. And I will show you how to use it. As you can see here, I turn my headlights on. Now all I have to do is push that button so I can give my headlight a bubble bath. Now did you see that? That was cool, right? All right, now that we done giving the headlights a bubble bath, we go in to the next one. Oh, I forgot to mention that not only your headlight has to be on, but your car has to be on as well. Now for the next part is gonna be about your trunk. As you can see here, there's a key right here, and there's a little button right there for the trunk. let's see, you let your friend borrow the car, but you have your important stuff in the trunk. You don't want them to go in it, so all you have to do is push that little button and then lock, close your door, and with that key you just put it in here and lock it, and then just give the key like this. And now I can push this all I want, this will not open. And I can also push my part in here on the driver side, the trunk will not open. And I can also push that part in on the key, the trunk will not open either, because I locked it in here and I also closed that door. Now, not only that they can't go in your trunk, they also not going to have access to your glove compartment either. All right guys, let's go to the next one. Now for the next part is kind of not be about your windows. This is your key. If you hold that button all the way down, all your windows and your sunroof will open. But about 2 years ago I unplugged my battery, and then since then this will not work. So what I'm gonna have to do is reprogram it, but you may try on your IS250, 350 or ISF. If you hold it down for like 5 to 10 seconds and it's not working, that means the person who owned the car before you, or probably unplugged the battery of the car, and everything you just have to reset it so it works. And guys, the last thing we're going to talk about, it's your light all around this car. Let's see, you in the dark, you can't see somewhere, I don't know where you can be in the dark, you can see, but your car is there. As long as your key is in your hand on your pocket and the car is locked, and when you get close to the car, those lights turn on here. Like if I'm in the dark, I could not see, or I could not find the car. That's something that you know already. But when I get close to the car, all of those lights will turn on to let me know that where the car is. All right guys, that's it for today's video. And now, last year I made a video like this, so this is part 2 of that video. If you missed the one from last year, you can check it out. I will put a link in the description below. Like I said, today the video that I was going to make, I couldn't because it's been raining all day. What can I say? It's summertime in Florida, and the video that I was gonna make, I can't make it when it's raining. There's no way. I just have to wait for a perfect day when it's not raining so I can make that video. All right guys, if you like the video, please like and comment, and if you are new to the channel for the first time and you like what you see, please subscribe and check out my other videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Perfect.